வணக்கம். Good morning to all. Adarsh Chair, I recently joined as SP Perambalur. I thank first of all Dhanalakshmi and all dignitaries on the stage to call me. They have called me for giving a lecture. Not lecture, I would say it is an advice. If you take it, you will be in benefit. If you don't take it, you will be in a difficult situation. I will continue my speech in English. Tamil but I think many students are from other states also. Okay. So, sir has said that this day has been marked for anti-ragging, eve-teasing, drug awareness, road safety awareness. Okay. But first of all, another word he used I would like to point out. That word is responsibility. You are changing from a student to a college, school to college. You are becoming an adult. Almost, I think all of you must be at the age of being an adult, 18 years of age. And how many people are 17 to 19? Please, can you please raise your hand? 17 to 19. So as you can see, that almost all of you are within the age group of 17 to 19. 18 is a crucial period. Crucial legally also and in terms of your development also. Okay. Legally because responsibility. You will be held responsible for whatever you do now. After 18 onwards, you will be held responsible. It may be ragging, it may be eve-teasing, it may be drug uses, it may be without license you are driving a vehicle or without helmet you are driving a vehicle. After 18, your parents will not be able to save you. Any action you take, you will be held responsible. So I would like to point out with this that please be aware of this transition in your life. Everybody as a kid wants to grow up early and see that I want to be a big man, I want to be a big woman and take all my decisions. But there are both two sides of this coin. You get to take your decision, but again you have to take the responsibility of the decision also. So I would like to say that responsibility is a very big term. Don't take it lightly. Otherwise you will find yourself in a difficult situation. So anti-ragging, I would like to say that all men are made equal. Okay, everybody is having right. And if a student is indulging and abrogating the rights of another student, if you are doing a ragging, what you are doing? You are physically, mentally, or in some other manner, you are torturing the other person, and it is not a good thing. Morally also, ethically also, and legally also. So in our country recently, the anti-ragging guidelines have been very hard, and you will be expelled from your college without any explanation. Am I correct? Anybody who is involved in ragging, so keep it very, what do you say, respectful. You should be respectful to others. Idhula senior students kadeva. All are first year students. Okay. Senior students are also. Okay. So I would like to communicate to senior students also and the people who are joining new. If anything comes to your notice, please report it to your professors, to your dean, or whoever you see to be the correct person, or your parents also. And please don't indulge in anti-ragging. Same is the case with eve-teasing. Other persons are having rights as equally as you do. You will not like it very much if another person teases you physically or mentally. So don't indulge in that thing. Okay? Regarding drugs, I would like to say that it's a slippery slope. Don't go on a slippery slope. It will start with alcohol, cigarettes, and then it will go on to ganja and other drugs, maybe chemical drugs also. So you have to be very careful. One thing I would like to advise is keep your company safe. Keep friends who are not pushing you into this direction. You will never go into this direction. A single person will never go into this direction. It is only the company, the friends you make, they will push you towards this direction. Anything illegal or unethical is being done. It is never being done by a single person. It will be done in a group. In that group, one person will be the leader, another 4 or 5 will be his followers. Those 4 or 5 followers are not hardcore bad people, but they should know that I have to leave this group. I have to leave these friends. So choose your friend very wisely. A person who pushes you to study will always be your beneficial friend. But a person who pushes you to drink or to smoke a cigarette or to go for drugs is your enemy, keep him out. Again, say road safety also, we would like to take this opportunity because after 18 all of you will be getting your licenses. You will be driving around, and I would like to show a small clip on road safety and accidents. Can you please play?
வாழ்க்கை யாராலும் சரி, வாகனமானாலும் சரி. உங்களின் நலன் கருதி பெரம்பலூர் மாவட்ட போக்குவரத்து காவல்துறை சீட் பெல்ட் அணிவோம். 4 சக்கர வாகனங்களில் பயணிக்கும் போது அனைவரும் சீட் பெல்ட் அணிந்து பயணிப்பதால் விபத்தினால் ஏற்படும் சேதத்தை தடுக்கலாம். உங்களையும் உங்களது குடும்பத்தாரின் பாதுகாப்பினையும் உறுதி செய்வோம். உங்களின் நலன் கருதி பெரம்பலூர் மாவட்ட போக்குவரத்து காவல்துறை. சாலை விதிகளை பின்பற்றுவோம். சாலை விதிகளை பின்பற்றி சாலைகளில் வாகனங்களை இயக்குவதால் சாலை விபத்துக்களை முற்றிலும் தடுக்க வழி செய்யலாம். சாலை விதிகளை பின்பற்றி வாகனங்களை இயக்கவும் அது உங்களின் பாதுகாப்பிற்காகவும் உங்களுக்காக வீட்டுக்காகவும் உங்களது குடும்பத்தினருக்காகவும். உங்களின் நலன் கருதி பெரம்பலூர் மாவட்ட போக்குவரத்து காவல்துறை.
Thank you. Can somebody tell me what is the biggest learning from this video? Yeah, that's good. One more thing I would like to point out. It is not only your mistake that can get you killed. Somebody else's mistake also can get you killed. Did you see? Somebody else's mistake can also get you killed in a road accident. So you have to be responsible for your own actions as well as others' actions also. So be careful on the road while you are driving. Okay? You have to follow all the protocols, rules, helmet code no, belt code no, driving license proper, no, don't do drink and drive. Adella sari. That is all okay. But you have to be careful also. You have to be aware also. Don't go over speed. If you are going over speed, you will not be able to control your vehicle. And if anybody else is doing a mistake, you will be in the wrong side of the incident. So be careful of that also. Obey the incidents that everybody knows. That's a good point. Okay? Thank you very much. Please answer. But you have to be careful of the others' actions also. The actions of other people also. Okay? So I would like to conclude by saying that all of you are growing. Everybody of you has dreamt of growing up and taking your own decisions. When I grow up, I'll do this. When I grow up, I'll stay awake for whole night. When I grow up, I'll do this, I'll eat this, I'll go here, I'll go there, I'll travel this place, I'll go to Europe, I'll go to Dubai. Everybody has dreamt of growing old or growing into an adult. But that comes with a responsibility. Responsibility for your actions, taking responsibility for your actions. So with that point, I would like to end my speech, and I would advise again that don't indulge in anything like ragging, teasing, drugs, or properly follow road safety, and stay away from friends who anyhow, somehow pressure you to do these things. Thank you. Thank you very much.